Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you another Godzilla and Sonic crossover, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Skar King as a Sonic character. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Sonic-style Skar King, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here. I'm just going to make a line. It's just going to kind of go down, and then I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and bring this up, kind of like a check mark shape. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go up and down where the nose is going to be. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down like this, and then up and down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down. And then I'm going to bring this line out and then back around to here. I'm going to bring this line here and then this line here. I want to bring this line down and then this line down. I want to make a skinny oval shape and color in most of it, leaving a little bit white. And then same thing here, skinny oval shape, color in most, leaving just a tiny bit white. Now right inside of here, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to come down and then back up here. The little line to connect. And then we're going to make some sharp teeth right across here. I'm going to bring this line down and then right up to here. And we'll make a little line here just for a little bit of detail. I'm going to bring this line up and down, and this one up and down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little points that are just going to come out to here. And then same thing here. We're going to make a few points. They're just going to come out and then down. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. And then I'm just going to bring it back to here. Then I'm just going to make some points that are just going to come right across here. And we're going to come down. Then I'm going to make some lines that are going to go down and up here for some little wrinkles. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down for the ear. And we're just going to do a little curve. We're going to do another one right here at the little line like this. Now for the body, I'm going to bring this line down and then up to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down here. For this leg, I'm going to come out. We're going to put a couple little points. Then I'm going to bring this down here and over. I'm going to bring this up and then back into here. Then here I'm going to make some little points. And then I'm going to curve this across and then bring it back into here for the leg. Then I'm going to curve this line over. Then starting here, I'm going to bring this line up to here. I'm going to make a little curved line on each side, and then I'm just going to bring this line around here like this. Over here, I'm just going to bring this line down, over, and then up. I'm going to make some little points on here for some fur. And then we can do that same thing here. I'm just going to make like a few little points on here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and out and come back up for one of his toes. We're not going to do shoes on him. Then we're going to make this line come out and then back, out and then back, and then one more out and then back here. This one I'm going to go down and over and bring it back. Then we're going to come up and then around here for a toe. We'll make one here and then one more here. Now for his arm and hand, let's start the hand up here so we can make it a little bit bigger than the arm. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down, over, and back up. And we'll make a little line here. Let's bring this line up. We're going to kind of curve it out and then bring it up. Make another one here, kind of come down, over, and then in, and a little line here. Little line here and in. And then we'll do one little one here. We'll curve this here and then a little curve here. I like to add a little line across. Let's make a big curve for one of those little like bands, and then let's go ahead and draw one and then two little lines across. We're going to bring this line up and down, and then we're going to make some fur and then bring this down. Now over here for this hand, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then down and back. I'm going to put a little curve here, and I'm going to make this line come down and then around to here. Make 1, 2, and 3 little bumps. Then I'm going to make a curve here for the band that's just going to come down like this. Then we're going to bring this back with some points and a line here. Now, to make like his big whip that he has, let's bring this line around, and we're going to curve it to his head. Then we're going to bring this all the way back to here. I'm just going to redraw the shape. We're going to go right to his head. We're going to pop out here, get it just a little bit smaller as it comes down. We'll make some little lines on here so it looks like it's tied to the end. And then we're just going to make a big pointed crystal shape on the end. Make a little bit of this come out here. Then let's just go ahead and make some lines right across here for some details. So we're just going to make these little lines going right across. And then we can even put some little notches on a few of them. Just kind of make it look like it's got that kind of like spine look or vertebrae look. So we'll kind of put these all the way across, just like that. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Sonic-style Skar King. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.